Here is a fact most women over 40 are never told. After 40, the female body begins losing up to 1% of its muscle every single year. By 50, that accelerates. By 60, a woman who has done nothing may have lost 20% of her muscle, bringing hormonal imbalance, slower metabolism, weaker bones, and the steady loss of independence that no woman should ever accept. This is not inevitable. The women of ancient warrior cultures from Spartan gymnasia to the female fighting orders of feudal Japan never experienced this kind of decline. Not because of genetics, but because their movement sent one clear daily signal to the body: keep the muscle, keep the strength. Today, you will learn 4 exercises that science confirms can reverse this loss in women after 40. Each targets the precise mechanism of sarcopenia, and every single one can be done at home without any equipment. 4 exercises, no gym, no excuses. The ancient warrior women already proved this works. Now so will you. Before we begin, drop your name and the city you are watching from in the comments below. Women from every corner of the world train with us here, and I want to know exactly where you are joining us from today. Exercise 1. The isometric wall, sit ancient warrior throne. In the imperial training halls of ancient China, women held deep positions against stone walls as a daily practice of endurance and discipline. This posture built the foundation of a self-sufficient female body, unshakable, rooted, and powerful it was never. The wall sit activates the quadriceps, glutes, and deep core simultaneously without any joint impact. After 40, most women lose muscle not because of age alone, but because they stop giving their muscles a reason to continue existing. The sustained isometric contraction sends one unmistakable signal too. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found wall-sit training in women over 40 produced measurable quadriceps density. How to perform. Back flat against a smooth wall, feet 12 inches away. Slide slowly down until knees reach 90 degrees, thighs parallel. Keep your entire spine on the wall, arms relaxed at. Hold, breathe in for 4 counts, out for 4, never. Begin at 45 degrees, not the full 90, hold 15 seconds, and deepen the position gradually over. At 60 seconds, squeeze a cushion between your knees throughout the hold to add inner. Exercise 2, the static glute bridge warrior earth hold. The Dahomey Agoge, the legendary all-female royal army of West Africa, built their conditioning on ground-based posterior strength work. Holding the body elevated by pure muscular effort was the exercise that separated warriors from all others and built posterior power. Why it works. After 40, the glutes are the first muscles women lose through prolonged sitting, a condition researchers call gluteal amnesia, where the glutes forget how to fire. The static bridge reverses this completely. The isometric hold forces the gluteus maximus medius, hamstrings, and pelvic floor to contract. And how to perform. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the. Press both heels firmly into the floor and squeeze the. Lift hips until shoulders, hips, and knees form one straight. Hold the top position and breathe normally. Keep squeezing the glutes. If the lower back tenses, instead of the glutes, bring feet slightly closer and focus entirely on. At 45 seconds, extend one leg and hold all weight through the supporting glute 4. If you are watching and have not yet subscribed, please do that right now. Every week, this channel brings science-backed, ancient-inspired training built exclusively for women. Subscribe so you never miss a video. Exercise 3. The deep squat hold, Shizumi strength. In Japan, India, and across Southeast Asia, the deep squat was not exercise, it was daily life. Women occupied this position for hours while working and eating. The result was no back pain, no hip weakness, no deteriorating glutes, things. Why it works. The deep squat hold activates the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, hip flexors, adductors, and deep stabilizers simultaneously. After 40, its most critical function is hormonal holding under muscular tension triggers growth hormone release that directly counteracts sarcopenia, supports fat metabolism, and protects bone density from further loss. Know how to perform. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes turned slightly outward toward. Lower slowly until hips drop below knees, both heels completely. Bring hands to chest height, elbows pressing the inner knees. Hold the spine neutral, core lightly, and actively breathe deeply and steadily. Hold a door frame for support. Start at 20 seconds and add 5 seconds each week until you. At 2 minutes unsupported, close your eyes, removing visual input forces, deep stabilizers to work. Exercise 4. The forearm plank hold, iron core. The Dahomey Agoge conditioned their cores through extended ground holds, suspending the body rigid above the earth for prolonged periods as both strength work and a profound test of mental endurance. In their warrior tradition, a strong core was not why it works. After 40, the transverse abdominis, the deepest core layer wrapped around the spine like a natural corset, weakens from disuse. This is the primary cause of the lower back pain and postural decline most women accept as normal aging. The forearm plank reactivates this muscle and builds. How to perform. Lower onto forearms with elbows placed directly beneath the shoulders, extend legs behind you, and lift the body supported by. From heels to head, one straight, unbroken line, squeeze glutes. Hold inhale, 4 counts, exhale 4, keep every muscle deliberately. Lower the knees to the floor. This reduces load by 40% while still fully activating the, at 60 seconds, lift 1 foot for 5 seconds at a time to force the. Here is one extra gift prepared especially for you. Every morning before getting out of bed, spend 60 seconds doing slow heel slides lying flat, sliding each heel toward your glutes one at a time. This practice from Japanese and Korean morning traditions activates the hamstrings, hip flexors, and knee stabilizers before any weight is placed on the joints. 60 seconds, no equipment needed. For women over 40, this is one of the most powerful joint protection habits you will ever build. 4 exercises. That is all. No gym, no equipment, no complex program, just 4 movements rooted in female warrior wisdom and confirmed by science that tell your body every day, the muscle stays. If this video resonated with you, something powerful is waiting on your screen right now. A video showing 5 isometric holds ancient warrior women used to lift their glutes and flatten their belly with 0 movement required. Watch it next. Your body will thank you. The strength stays. I am not going anywhere. After 40 is not the beginning of decline. It is the start of a stronger, more intentional power. Start today. Right now. Thank you for watching this far, my friend. May God bless you.